Hello mga kapitbahay, long time no kitchen series. So, let me just show you my old pan. This is what I've been using for so long already, for almost 3 years. Wala pa man, 2.5 years. Anyway, this brand is from Karote. Karote? Kala mo ba yung pagbigkas ko, Karote? So, ayan siya. Yan yung ginagamit ko. But, meron kasing mga napapanood nga na merong mas magandang version on how you cook, ganyan, lalo sa mga ginagamit mo na pans at home. Finally decided, meron kaming sa office, like, pwede ka mag-wishlist doon. And so, yung nakabunot kasi sa akin is, sabi niya, sige na nga, sabihin ko na nga ako nakabunot sa'yo. Tapos, ayun, nag-order kami online. So, yun na yung gusto kong matanggap. And, yeah, now I'm unboxing my new pan. So, he gifted this to me, yung nakabunot sa akin. And I'm so excited to use it. It says induction, but it's not the same, yung dito niya, sa likod. Hindi same. So, tingnan natin, no? Oops. So, this is what it looks like. Ta-da! This one is 28 or 26 centimeters, if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah, ang cute nila. Sabi niya induction halogen induction. So, kita ko rin kasing chef. Ito talaga yung mga ganito talaga yung stainless. Tama ba? Stainless yung ginagamit nila for cooking. Kasi mas maganda daw yung transfer ng heat, whatever, ganyan-ganyan. So, yeah, I'm so excited to use this. If you want this kind of item, I'm gonna be linking the Shopee link of this one. So, yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. And if you have more contents like this, please do like and follow.